How to switch account on Binance. Now, switching account on Binance is very simple. If you want to add another account to Binance without logging out of your current account, it is very simple to do that. All you have to do is go ahead and then launch the Binance application, and this is the interface that you will be able to see. Once you've done this, basically tap on the Binance logo from the top left of the screen, as you can see here. Once you tap on your Binance profile from the top, here you'll find your Binance name and ID and so on. Just tap on your name. And once you basically tap on your name, you'll find these options here, where all you have to do is, instead of logging out, let's say you just want to switch the account, you can tap on the switch account button right here, and instead you can go ahead and then add another account here by tapping the plus icon from the top right to be able to add those accounts. This way you'll be able to switch account on Binance. I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.